Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Yuli and I'm the product manager of the BOOKR class app. Basically, I'm the one who makes sure that the app is always up to date with the latest features and provides a wonderful learning and reading experience to kids all over the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the app at home with your children. But before, let me share a couple of useful information. The BOOKR Class app is available for both iOS and Android devices, and you can also download the app to your laptops. Both Mac and Windows versions are fine. This time, I'm going to show you how the app works on my Mac laptop, but don't worry because it looks and works exactly the same way on every other devices. So let's see this, how it works in practice. I'm going to load the app now on my laptop, and you can see that I've already typed in my email address and password that I used at the time of registration. I'm going to click sign in and I'll choose the parent profile. So here we are in the BOOKR Class library app, and you can see the hundreds and hundreds of books BOOKR Class has. Here there are a couple of topics, and if you click on any of these buttons, all the books that are related to these topics will load. In the offline section, you can find all the books that are already downloaded to the device and can be read anytime without internet connection. Let's go back to all the books and see what's available up here. Here at the level selector, if you click on this arrow button, the level selection will come down. Click on any of the levels and you will see the books loading very, very quickly. We have 6 levels, and on each level you can find many, many books. Let's go back to all the books and see how you can search on a specific book. Let's click this magnifying glass icon and you will arrive to the search page. Up here, you can type in a keyword or a specific title of a book that you would like to search on. So let's say that now I'm interested in books that are related to dogs. So I'm going to type in dog and click this blue arrow. And now all the books that are related to the word dog appears here. You can also search on topics. Just click here and you can see all the topics that we have. We have quite a lot of them. And you can also search on based on the content type. So whether it's a book, a flashcard, or a karaoke song, it's fine. Just click on the icon and it will be shown down here. Now let's go back to the library view, and you can see these sliding images here. These are books that we are recommending for our young readers to read. If you click on any of these, you can see information about the certain book. You can also press this play button and the book will start.
Bob's Tales, Part 1. Bob's Dream.
Now I clicked on the pause button, and now I'm going to go back to the library view because I will tell you all about how the books work in another video. So please, if you're interested to know more about how the BOOKR books work or how you can add a child to your profile in the BOOKR Class application, please stay with us and watch the next video. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.